So, did you understand our discussion for today? Any questions, clarifications? None? If none, then we'll proceed to our activity. Count 1 to 5. Let's start here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Go to your respective areas or group mates and I will be giving you activity. This time, you will cooperate with each other. I will be giving you printed pictures of our planet. All you need to do is to cut it, paste it. Oh, I forgot. Did you, last meeting, I asked you to bring cardboards, right? Did you bring it with you? Very good. Scissors and pandikit. Did you bring it? Okay, very good. This time, you will cut those pictures I will give it to you, paste it to your cardboards, arrange it to their places, and draw the orbits they have. Take note, one planet only has one orbit. Dili gid nang isa ka orbit na ay tulo ka planet. So, take note about that, huh? And cooperate with your group mates. If there's a group mate that doesn't cooperate, say it to me because I will deduct their points or I will mark them absent for today because they didn't participate. Okay? I will be giving you 10 minutes. Okay, proceed to your areas right now. Okay, this time, you really understand the discussion and the arrangement of the planets. Go back to your respective seats and I will be giving you an activity. I will be giving you this answer sheet with you. Use pen or pencils. Answer it in your respective chairs quietly, okay? It only consists 10 minutes to answer this one. Okay. That is my demo for today, ma'am. Thank you. About solar system.